Hi, this is Heather, the Fed Up Foodie, where I inspire busy people who love to cook and bake so that you feel inspired in your kitchen. Today I'll be sharing an easy and luxurious summer fruit salad that has watermelon, dragon fruit, juicy berries with a honey lime mint dressing. Cutting a large watermelon can feel like a daunting task. To make it easier, you'll need 2 large cutting boards, a well-sharpened chef's knife, and a bench scraper. To begin, cut off both ends of the watermelon and set it upright on one of the cut ends. Now carefully cut the rind off in strips, starting at the top of the melon and working down towards the cutting board. Once the rind is off, cut the watermelon into approximately 1-inch thick steaks. Use the second cutting board to rest the uncut melon while cutting smaller chunks. Now lay the watermelon steak flat and cut into 1-inch thick strips. Turn the cutting board and cut the watermelon in the opposite direction. This will create approximately 1-inch watermelon cubes. One of the best tips I can give in regards to cutting the watermelon is to use a bench scraper to transfer the cut melon. It really does take the awkwardness and mess out of transferring food. Dragon fruit is the secret to making this salad really stand out. This white speckled fruit, cut into star shapes, is such a beautiful contrast to the vibrant berries and watermelon. Start by cutting both ends off. Cut in half lengthwise, and then peel off the bright pink skin using your hands. Carefully trim any excess pink off and cut the half pieces in half again. To make the star shape, I use the smallest star in my cookie cutter set. Once cut, set the stars aside and do not add them to the salad until the very end once the salad is dressed. This will help the stars keep their shape. With the dragon fruit scraps, cut them into small pieces and add them into the watermelon bowl. Now it's time for the berries. To core and cut the strawberries, I use a small paring knife. Also, cutting them into circles gives a holiday-ish appearance. Once the strawberries are cut, add them to the watermelon, in addition to the blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Finally, dice the mint and add to the fruit, in addition to the lime zest. The mint adds a cooling sweetness, and the zest really brightens the flavors of the salad. The dressing for this berry salad is composed of lime juice and honey. Lime juice accentuates the flavor of the other fruit, and honey balances the tanginess of the lime juice. One of the most important tips when making this fruit salad is to wait to add the lime juice and honey until just before serving. This will ensure that the fruit does not soften too quickly, and of course top with the dragon fruit stars. Make sure to check out this recipe at thefedupfoodie.com, where I do deep dive into the tips and tricks of making the salad, and of course, make sure to come back for more delicious recipes soon.